So I'm going to share my screen now. We'll go into the presentation and I'll see you again in 28 minutes. So bear with me, please. Hello, my name is Phil Coney, and I'd like to take you through a presentation that is linked to a remarkable company called Forever Living. Rosita and I first looked at this presentation 26 years ago. At the time, my background before was in the television, video, hi-fi industry. Rosita's background prior to Forever was property development and interior design. We'd only been together for about 12 months and we were looking for change. We were looking to do something together, but there was a criteria. It needed to be flexible. It needed to have a work-life balance, not work all the hours of daylight. We wanted the opportunity to earn what we were worth, and we felt that we were worth 6 figures. Rosita had been suffering for about 8.5 years prior to starting this business with a stomach complaint called IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Now, she'd been going to the doctor all that time, and the doctor didn't seem to be able to do anything for her. He just blamed it on poor diet and stress. So she had this horrible complaint that was giving her stomach cramps. She had to be careful what she was eating. A friend of ours came along one day who just got involved with this business, and he recommended to Rosita that she tried the aloe vera drink, which is our best-selling product. He said, look, I'm not allowed to make any claims. Lots of people have had benefits from the aloe vera drink for stomach conditions. It's 100% natural. There's no known side effects, and it's got an unconditional money-back guarantee. You've got absolutely nothing to lose by trying it. So she thought, okay, she didn't really believe it was going to do anything because she'd been trying everything for 8.5 years. But she started to drink a small shot glass full on a daily basis, so 2 fluid ounces, which is 2 tablespoons. So she did that every day, and after about 4 weeks, I noticed that she wasn't complaining of stomach cramps anymore. And within about 6 weeks of taking 2 fluid ounces a day, she said, look, this aloe vera drink has got my IBS totally under control. I'm not getting the problems anymore. And that really impressed us. Now, there are millions of people all over the world that suffer with stomach complaints like that. Now, Mark said to us, so now you know the product's good, there is an opportunity behind the product. So what I'd like you to do is check it out. So we actually went to the head office in the UK and we had a meeting with the managing director. We were very impressed with what he said. He answered all our questions. We felt just great being in the building. There was a fantastic atmosphere. To cut a long story short, we decided to get happily involved. So we started in January 1995. By the end of our first year, even starting on a part-time basis, we were able to create the 6-figure income that we were looking for. Not only that, we had the work-life balance. We weren't working lots of hours away from home with lots of stress. We didn't have any of that. We just had a fantastic business that we were working from home, and we had that work-life balance. Over the past 26 years, we've enjoyed that level of income whether we work or not. So the income becomes like a pension. It's a residual income that you can create. So what I want to do is take you through this presentation so that you can see why now, why should you be looking at this business right now? And why Forever? Why choose Forever Living? I'm going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the products and the marketplace that we operate in. And we're also going to talk about the different opportunities that are available through this business. Now, we live in a changing world. More and more people are wanting to work from home these days. People are doing more online shopping. Communication is through the internet. Travel is now very restricted. If we think about what we're actually looking for, we're really looking to have more control over our life, more flexibility so that we can spend more time with the family, more security, as obviously goes without saying. That's really, really important. And to be part of a community. If you decide to work with us, you're going to be part of an organization, a community that works together and helps each other. What are the options that are available to you out there? Well, one option is that you could start a traditional business, but to do that, You're looking at high investment, high overheads, and high risk. Another option would be to retrain and get a different job. And if you do get the job that is the right job for you, and it's a job for life, you're going to be extremely lucky, because job security is definitely a thing of the past. You could purchase a franchise. Now, the cheaper franchises are just as risky as a traditional job. To get a more successful franchise that's guaranteed to succeed, you've got to be paying upwards of £250,000 or euros. And I guess not a lot of people have got that level of investment available. The other option is to just go out and get a second or third job so that you can multiply your income. But then you're going to be working a lot of hours and you're not going to see the family. So really what we should be doing is thinking about embracing change. So now we're going to talk about why Forever Living. Okay, well, the first thing is that it's a family-owned business. Okay, there's no shareholders, so we don't have any politics. It's a cash-rich company. It's been trading for over 40 years, very successfully. And it's definitely a business for the 21st century. We operate all over the world in 160 countries. In this business, you can develop multiple income streams. I'm going to talk about that when we talk about the opportunities in the business. We are, as I said, a cash-rich company operating in over 160 countries, and the company have purchased for cash a very prestigious head office in every single country that we operate in. So they don't have any mortgages, there's no loans, everything is done for cash. So here on the screen you can see our UK head office. You can see the lovely head office in Nigeria, in Malaysia, and also in Scandinavia. They purchased a beautiful castle. This is just an amazing company. We are socially responsible, and we do put the people that work with us, even in the aloe vera fields, we put them first. There is continuous improvements and enhancements with our products and with the opportunity and with the support. We look after the environment. You know, we don't use any herbicides, pesticides, or anything like that. We get involved in a lot of charitable causes. You might have heard of the Rise for Hunger charity, and so far we've actually put together in excess of 5 million meals to feed people around the world in different situations that are starving, and we've actually paid for those meals to go and feed those people. Our aloe vera is natural. We are the world's largest growers and producers of aloe vera plants. All of our aloe vera is hand planted and naturally grown. As I said, we don't use any herbicides, pesticides, or anything like that. The aloe vera is then hand filleted. We only use the raw gel that's on the inside of the leaf. We throw the outer leaf back into the soil for fertilization. A lot of other companies boast about the fact that they use the whole leaf. There's actually no goodness in the outer leaf at all. But of course, we grow and cultivate about 80% of the world's supply of aloe vera, so therefore we can afford not to use the outer leaf. We just use the pure gel on the inside. It's hand filleted, put straight into the manufacturing facilities. In the manufacturing facilities, the aloe vera is stabilized, it's tested. We have total control. We deliver the product. The product is manufactured by ourselves. We even make the containers and do the screen printing, and then it's delivered direct to our customers. So no other company can hold us to ransom. I mean, aloe vera has been around for a long time and dates back to 2200 BC. Cleopatra apparently bathed in it. Gandhi used it when he was fasting. It was used in the world wars to treat burns with the soldiers, and also it was used as an ancient Indian medicine. So, you know, the history goes back a long, long time. It's not something that's new, that's just been invented. And if we talk about the benefits of aloe vera, It helps to support the immune function. Now, how important is that at the moment? Everybody needs to build their immune system now because of the viruses and things that are going around the world. So that's very important. If you drink aloe vera, it's great to help with your skin, your hair, your nails. It gives the body a service. It's an all-round product for you to drink on a daily basis. It helps with the digestive system and gives you gastronomical health, good health. It promotes health and wellness. I mean, Rosita and I have been drinking the aloe vera now for the past 26 years. Our immune system is very, very high. We don't pick up colds and flu viruses like everybody else gets. That's purely down to drinking the aloe vera on a daily basis. We both do. So we've got a fantastic range of products for healthy living. We've got nutritional supplements. We've got a fantastic weight management program, which is 100% natural. We've got nutritional products for children. We're the world's largest beekeepers, and the bee products that we've got are second to none. So we're talking about the desert honey and bee pollen and royal jelly. You probably heard of that. And then we've got the daily care products for hand care, including a fantastic natural hand sanitizer. Okay, this is such a current product. It's aloe vera based, and it doesn't dry your skin, like a lot of those hand sanitizers out there. It actually looks after your skin. So we got the personal care products like the shampoos and the tooth gel, deodorants. We've got products for sports and fitness, and we've got a fantastic skincare range. So we're talking about a massive marketplace, and I'm proud to say that we are the number one company in our field in every single country that we operate in. Our field is the manufacturing and distribution of aloe vera based products. And as far as aloe vera is concerned, we actually do more business in a month than all our competitors added together do in a whole year. And the reason for that is the quality and the value for money of the products that we market direct to the consumer. And the way that we market those products is through word of mouth and recommendation. We don't employ salespeople. We don't have any retail shops that have high overheads. All of our business is done through word of mouth and recommendation. We've got all the certifications to say that these products are high quality, and anybody around the world from any religion can use and market our products. We've got the Aloe Science Council seal of approval. We've got the kosher rating. We've got the Islamic seal of approval. They're not tested on animals. We've got, and I don't know any other company that has this, we've got an unconditional money-back guarantee on all of our products. So we can recommend the products to people and say, look, it's natural. We're not allowed to make claims, but it's helped a lot of people. Why don't you just try it? Save the empties, because at the end of the guarantee period, if you're not happy, you can simply give back the empty containers and get 100% of your money back, no questions asked. Now, you don't get that sort of guarantee in the shops. We've got industry recognition. Our products are receiving awards all the time for their quality. Skincare products, they're mentioned so much in the magazines, and there's articles, and these days we don't need to sell the benefits of aloe vera. People know how good aloe vera is. Okay, so how do we build a successful home-based business? Well, what we do is we can access the products direct from the company, the factory, which is Forever Living, and we can supply our customers direct. Okay, cutting out the middlemen. So we don't need to sell. We call it conversational marketing. So you use the products yourself, and you just simply explain to people, what the product is, what the product does, without making any claims, and it's got the money back guarantee. And also, we can offer people the opportunity. Okay, so there are literally millions and millions of people all over the world, especially now, that would love to have an extra income or even a career change. Okay, so there's two things that we do. We recommend the products and we recommend the opportunity. If we look at the network marketing industry, which is what we're in, 192.9, nearly $193 billion in global sales around the world simply by networking, recommendation, talking to people, not selling through shops. So it's a massive, massive marketplace. Okay. Now, getting started with our business has been made easy by the company. What they've done is they put together a starter pack. It's called something different in every country. In Spain, for instance, it's called the Go to FBO pack, and it comes with a 5% discount. It's got a large selection of the most popular products that we have, and the idea is that you can start to use the products so that you can gain experience of the products, and then you can start to recommend them to other people and build a business. Okay, the pack itself costs €362. As I said, it's different in every country. It's got an equivalent price in dollars in the US, for instance, and in other countries in Europe, like France and Italy, it's about the same price, but they call it something different. The pack in the UK is actually smaller. It's £199.75, but it doesn't have as many products in it. Okay. Now, when you register with the company, it's free. Purchasing the plaque is not the only way to start, but it's definitely the fastest way to get started, and it's certainly the most economical way to get started. Okay, so you can talk more about that with the person that's showing you or introducing you to this opportunity. So once you've registered and you've got your starter pack, then you're entitled to build a global business. You can operate in any or all of the 160 countries that we operate in. You're given a blueprint for success. So we'll actually give you a blueprint that has been successful for over 40 years. You'll have your own websites with your own online store. You also have a personal business coach and mentor, somebody that is going to guide you and show you how to get started, how to get the level of success that you're looking for. Not just show you, but actually help you to do it. All the training and support you can access immediately online and as you go along and develop your business. As I said, you're going to be part of an amazing community. So let's start talking about the different opportunities that are available to you. The first opportunity is sharing the products. And what we recommend is that you develop 20 regular customers. So these are not team members, these are people that are just using the products. I'll talk in a moment how you can do that. And simply by developing 20 regular customers, you can earn somewhere between £200 to £400 or euros per month or dollars on a monthly basis, just for very part-time commitment. So where are you going to find your customers? Well, they're all around us. You can reach out to people on Instagram and Facebook. You've probably got lots of followers and friends on Facebook that you can communicate with. You can meet people on the school run. You can people that you work with and people that you've perhaps done business with, and just reach out to people and recommend the products, and you're only looking for 20 regular customers. Okay, so the other thing that you can do is share the opportunity, and you can do this. Think about how you actually got to look at this presentation, and that's exactly what you're going to do. So you've got information that you can give people. We've got recorded presentations, we've got videos, we've got websites, and simply ask somebody if the timing is right for them to look at something that would give them the opportunity to develop a side income, a part-time income alongside what they're doing, or are they looking for a career change, and let them check out this business. Okay, and simply by building a team, you can earn 600 to 2,000 pounds or euros or dollars per month, over and above the retail activity for your 20 customers. I want you to think about this because everybody's going to develop 20 regular customers. Okay, so if you develop a team, let's say you've got two team members, and they've each got 20 customers, so that's another 40 customers in your business. Okay, and I'm going to show you in a moment how you actually get paid on the performance of your team. Okay, so if you've got 4 team members, you've got 80 customers. If you've got 8 team members, you've got 160 customers. If you've got 16 team members, you've got 320 customers. So our business is all about lots of people doing a little bit each. And simply by developing a team of 30 people in your business, and how do you do that? Well, you find 5 people to work with and you help them to do the same, and then you've got 30 people in your team. And at this level, you're going to be earning probably in excess of 2,000 a month. I mean, I know from experience that these figures are very conservative. We always earned more than what's stated on the slides here. You might want to scale up your business, and simply by working with your 5 leaders that you introduced into your business and helping them to do what you did so that they can work with their 5 leaders, this is where your income can grow to somewhere between 2,000 and 20,000 pounds or euros or dollars per month. Okay, there's lots of people that are earning incomes way in excess of that, simply because they've been working with this business over the years and working with their team, supporting their team and helping their team to grow. Okay, so you need to get your questions asked. You need to find out how this works, and you know, this is an opportunity that's available to you. Okay, so where are the people that are looking for opportunities? Well, they're all over social media. You know, we've got young entrepreneurs that are even leaving university looking for an opportunity because they, you know, the job situation is not brilliant. They can't get the job. So a serious option is for them to start their own business. And this is a serious option of starting your own business. Okay, a lot of people are looking for change of direction. You know, even people that are earning good incomes, when they get past 40 years of age, they begin to start getting a bit fed up with the amount of time they're spending away from home, away from the family. So if we could show them how to earn a similar income, if not a lot more, and have a work-life balance, they're going to be interested. People that are coming up close to retirement, pensions are not really worth the paper that they're written on. In this business, you can create a fantastic pension in the form of a residual income. Okay, so you can retire or semi-retire on 100% of the residual income that you create in this business. That becomes your pension. And you can simply just talk to people that you know, friends, family, neighbors, work colleagues. There are millions and millions of people looking for opportunities around the world. Okay, so again, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because we're going to show you where to find these people, what information to give them, and we'll also help you to build your business. So simply by developing your leaders, real leadership is being the person others will gladly and confidently follow. So become a product of the product, use the products, help people in your team, lead by example, and be totally focused on creating your business that's going to give you the lifestyle, the security, and the work-life balance that you're looking for. Now, we do have, as well as the income streams, there are lots of different opportunities available in the form of incentives. And the first incentive is the chairman's bonus. Now, the chairman's bonus is an annual incentive that once you get to the manager status and you start to help people in your team to get to the manager status as well. Not only does your income increase on a monthly basis, but you're also eligible to qualify for an annual bonus called a chairman's bonus. Okay, and every year the company give away checks at the World Rally. At the moment, the last year or so, we haven't been able to do that. But we still get the checks with an online event, and the checks ranged last year from $2,000 to somebody that was relatively new in the business to well over $1 million. That's a one-off annual bonus on top of the income. Okay, so it's a pretty amazing company. We've got global travel incentives when we're allowed to travel, of course. This year, the travel should have been in Sydney in Australia. And this is a trip which is for 2 people, all expenses paid, 5-star, including spending money. Because we can't go this year because of the travel restrictions, they're actually going to give us the money. So we're going to be given about somewhere between $4,000 and $5,000, which is what it would have cost them had they have sent us on that trip. We're still going to get the money. Okay, so simply by getting to the manager position, you can qualify for these incentives. And then we've got the Forever to Drive. So this is as you're developing your business and your team turnover reaches a certain level, which is very achievable even on a part-time basis. So they don't actually give you a car. We call it the car program because most people spend that money on a very nice car. So they don't give you the car, they give you the money to go and buy a car, which is fantastic. People join our business for lots of different reasons. Some people want more time. Some people want to be debt-free. You can build a legacy with this business, which is willable, so it can be passed on into your family. You're looking for stability. Maybe you just want to move it, a higher income so that you can move into a new home, financial freedom, personal development. All this is available with this opportunity. So whatever your reason is, let's talk about it and work out a plan of how you can get it. If you're excited about the potential of working with Forever, working with us as part of our global team, we would love to work with you. We would love to help you build a successful business. So what you need to do next is really get back to the person that invited you to have a look at this presentation, get your questions answered, get yourself registered, work out a plan that is suitable for you based on your income requirements, what you're looking for, and as Nike says, just do it. Okay, we would love to work with you. We look forward to that and having you as a valued member of the team. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for looking, and hopefully we'll see you in the future as part of the global team that is currently growing. So thank you, and bye-bye for now. Okay, guys, so let me just put this on speaker. So so this is a presentation very similar to the one that Rosita and I looked at 26 years ago. Seems just like yesterday, although 26 years is quite a long time. And if you can imagine, why have we stuck with it for 26 years? There must be something in it, otherwise we wouldn't be here. What I want to do now is I just want to spend a few minutes answering some of the questions that you might be thinking. If you're new to this sort of concept, it all sounds too good to be true. You might be wondering, well, can I do it? It's all right for you, but can I do it? So I'm just gonna answer those questions. I'm gonna go through the basics really of our business, because this is a very, very simple business, although the concept is very, very powerful. You might have picked up in the presentation that there are 3 things that we really do. Okay, the first thing that's really important is to use the products. So the first question is, can you use the products? Well, I'm sure the answer to that question is yes, because you're probably already using the products, but you're just using a different brand. In other words, for instance, if you went into your bathroom, you're probably using soaps and shampoos and skincare products and what we call daily care products. So you're already using the product. So basically what you would do is you would change the brand of the product that you're using, and it's redirected spending, not extra spending. Okay, so so instead of putting your business to somebody else and buying products from a retailer where you buy at the moment, you're giving them the business. What you can do is purchase it from your own business so that you can get experience with the products. And of course, you're going to get the products at a discount. So it makes economic sense for you to do that. But by using the products, as we said in the presentation, you're going to gain experience with the products. You're going to gain confidence in the products. You're going to realize how good the product is so that you can then recommend it, not sell it, to other people. Okay. And, you know, as we said, a lot of what we do is online. So the second thing, the second question really is, can you develop 20 regular customers? Well, the first thing is that you don't do that by yourself. So your mentor, your sponsor, the person that introduces you into this business is not only going to show you, but help you to develop your 20 regular customers. And as it said in the presentation, these days, we don't need to sell the benefits of aloe vera. Everybody in the world knows how good aloe vera is. And we're known as the aloe vera company because we grow and cultivate 85% of the world's supply of it. So we can put a lot more of it in our products than anybody else. As it also said in the presentation, we only use the inner gel on the inside of the aloe vera leaf. We don't use the outer rind at all. There's no goodness in that. So our product is pretty special. Plus, we're the only company that we are aware of that offers that unconditional money back guarantee. So people are more than happy to try the products. And we have a saying, and that is that if you get the product in them or on them, the product will sell the product. It's that good. Okay, so it's not a sales business. It's an interactive, use the products, develop 20 regular customers. We will help you to do that. And of course you can do that. Okay, so whether you want to earn £500 or euros a month, £5,000 or euros a month, we've even got people earning £50,000 or euros a month. You only need 20 regular customers. Okay, the third thing that really dictates the size of your income is the team building. So what we're going to do is we're going to help you to build a team. If you want to earn, let's say, 2,000 or 3,000 euros or pounds per month on a part-time basis, then what we need to do is help you build a team. And we recommend that you work with 5 key people, just like we do. Okay, so there's lots of different ways that we can go out and help you to develop 5 key people. 5 people to come into your team, 5 people that would love to have an extra income over and above what they're earning at the moment. Or maybe 5 people that would love to change direction. Maybe their circumstances have changed. They need something flexible. They need something they can work from home. And, you know, we can find those people on social media. We can reach out to people through our social connections. We can advertise. You know, think about how you got to see this presentation. You know, it's not difficult. And again, you're not doing that by yourself. So you're in business for yourself. We're not talking about a job here. We're talking about more, it's not even a business. It's more of a way of life. Okay. It's not like a traditional business where you've got to employ people, where you've got high overheads, where you've got high capital investment, where you've got high risk. There's absolutely none of that. You know, our business is based on the principle of a lot of people doing a little bit each. And again, as it said in the presentation, if we help you build a team of 30, what we call forever business owners, so when you register, you would become a forever business owner. At that stage, you would be earning about £3,000 or euros per month on a part-time basis, because you're going to be earning between 35 and 48% profit on your customers. Okay, you're going to be using the products and getting 35 to 48% discount on the products that you use. And you're also going to get paid different bonuses on the performance of your team. And it doesn't come out of their pocket, it's paid by the company. And this is what we've been doing for the past 26 years. Okay, and there are some people on this looking at this presentation tonight that are already in this team, you know, we are working closely together. So lots of people doing a little bit each, and when we say a little bit, it's using the products, developing 20 regular customers, and building a team if you want to earn something in excess of £500 or euros a month. And there's, you know, we've been in this business for 26 years, and there has never, ever been a better time to build a team than right now. There are literally millions and millions of people all over the world sick and tired of being sick and tired. They're fed up with the insecurity of the jobs. They're fed up with being laid off. They're fed up with having their hours cut, and therefore their income is cut. You know, and that's not a way to have a life. You know, so what we're wanting to do is to help you take control of your time, take control of your life, and create something which is a valuable asset for yourself. Okay, and by helping you, that's how we get the success that we're looking for. So if we help enough people get what they want, then we get what we want. And you know, we would love you to be part of that. So those are the only things that you really need to consider, you know, when you're asking yourself the question, can I do this? There is nothing there that you can't do. It's just a question of whether you want to do it, you know, whether you would like to be in a position in 5 or 6 months' time where you're earning £2,000 to £3,000 or euros a month on a part-time basis, working from home, flexible time, having fun, and not having to worry about whether or not you're going to get laid off or be made redundant. So the next thing that you need to do is, we hope you found that really interesting. You know, Rosita and I, for 26 years now, we, as it said in the presentation, we were able to create our 6-figure income just by working with 5 people and helping them to get to that £3,000 a month, because we did it in the UK on a part-time basis. During our first 12 months, that put us on a 6-figure income, and we've never looked back since. Okay, now that's almost 100% of that income is residual income stroke pension. It means that you can retire or semi-retire on it. Okay, now tell me, where else can you get something that's gonna, let's say you create a £3,000 or euros a month, or 5,000 or 7,000, whatever it is, you know, you can retire or semi-retire on it. It's part of the package. Tell me where else you can get that, especially at the moment. So, okay, we're going to wrap it up now. We hope you found that interesting. And, you know, we're sure that you've probably got lots of questions. But the main thing now is to talk to the person within the next couple of days. Talk to the person that invited you to this presentation. Get all your questions answered. Talk about where you would like to see yourself in 6 months or 12 months from now, in terms of an income, in terms of what you want from this business. We can then work out a business plan and give you the support to help you to achieve that. Okay, we'd love to have you as part of the team. We've got a fantastic community. The support is second to none. Please get your questions answered. Looking forward to speaking to you again soon. And we really appreciate your time this evening taking to look at it. Now you've got the facts, now you can make a decision, and hopefully it's going to be the right one. So I'm going to say bye-bye for now, and thank you very much, and we'll look forward to speaking to you soon. So bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.
All right.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.